around again and again. You did it for me. You showed up for me. You did it for me. I did not deserve it. You did it for me. You stayed with me. You kept loving me when I was weak, when I was tired, when I was falling. You lifted me up. Hey, you did it for me. No condition, no perfection. You did it for me. Still you love me. Hey, clap your hands, hey, move your feet, hey, turn around, hey, lift it louder, and left side say, right side say, everybody say it again. Like the Israelites in the desert, walking for days, no food in sight, no water to taste. They complained, they lost their way. Still every morning mercy remained. The bread came down day by day. What they needed was always there. Even in failure, you stay the same. You kept providing again and again. In every season, like Peter who denied you 3 times in fear. He walked away, filled with tears, but by the fire, you called him close, not to condemn him, but to restore. You asked with love, you gave him a call, from shame to purpose, you lifted him all. What should have ended him became a new start. You gave him purpose again and again. You did it for me. When I fell short, you did it for me. When I cried out, you heard my voice. When I gave up, you held me close. When I was confused, you showed the way. Again and again, you did it for me. I am standing here. You did it for me. No more fear. You did it for me. Now I believe. You did it for me. I receive. I receive. I receive. I receive. I'm free. I'm free. You did it for me. Say it again. Again and again. Do not stop now. Again and again. Higher now. Again and again. Louder now. Again and again. DJ Jerryman, keep it moving. Let the sound reach heaven. Because when I failed, you forgave me. When I returned, you received me. Again and again, you did it for me. Again and again, you did it for me. For my past, you did it for me. To my present, you did it for me. To my future, you did it for me. Forevermore, you did it for me. Say it again, say it again. Everybody now, let it rise. You still came through. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound.
You still came through. That's the title for this one. Don't go anywhere, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are still in the praise moment.
I was not